Hi everyone, welcome to Surfing Safely. This project is about you creating your own eSafety poster for your primary schools if you like. As you can see, there's lots of different ways of presenting the information. Go and have a look around, see how many different posters you can see and like, and the ideas that you like and the style you like. We're then going to go and create our own posters later on. So first step is obviously to do some research, and I've created a little template for you. If you download this to your own computer, you can complete it and then submit it later on. What I'm going to do is download mine to my own desktop app here, and then I could save it. Make sure you save it in your Safe Surfing folder in your OneDrive. I'm just opening it in Word on my own computer because I find it easier to use the apps here. So put your name in, your class and your teacher, and research websites. Wherever you find information, just copy the link address in. So what I'm going to do is come up with my first topic. As you can see, I'm going to go to the website here, and I'm going to copy that address because it's where this information comes from, and I'm going to put it into my Word document here, so I'm letting the teacher know I've been to this website. Now, the first topic I think I want people to know is if you feel uncomfortable to tell someone. So that's going to be my first topic, tell someone. I'm then going to go to this page here and see if I can find some facts and stats about, this is about children talking. Nothing here on my topic about telling people and being safe. So I'm going to go here, internet safety and talk to siblings. Oh, that's a nice idea. So from this page, I got the information that talking to siblings is a good idea. So I'm just going to pop that down in my research document here. So when you tell people, key information, talk to siblings. And then I'm going to look for a few other bits of information on the tail section. Keep looking around. I would suggest a maximum of 5 topic areas, and you want 4 or 5 bits of information in each. And if you just fill this part in, that's basically the research. Which websites you get the information from, and talking to siblings. Now I want you to do some research on the actual designs. Now early on we started to look at some posters. I want you to find posters that you like and that inspire you. And when we use those posters, just to paste the link in. So here's a poster, that's a nice one. Look, nice words here, all nicely laid out. I'm going to copy that image, right click on there, I'm going to go back to the Word document, and I'm going to paste that in. And I want you to pick 3 or 4 of those, and then do some general research, not just on eSafety posters, but children's posters generally. So up here, I'm going to put children's information posters, because it's not about comments and things, it's about communicating information. Oh look, warrior mindset, that's quite a nice way of doing it, just having all the little links and all the colours. That's quite inspiring. Oh, I like this with a picture and the beach, nice colours. I like the use of boxes. I'm actually going to copy that image just because I like the boxes and the way they've presented the boxes. And I'm going to paste that onto my page here. So your first bit is do the research. Second bit is find pictures and posters that you like. Try and fill up the page. 3 of each, 6 there. And now I've got to do my outline design. Well, I'm really inspired by a combination of those two. And what I'm going to do here is insert some shapes. But I'm going to put in a drawing canvas here, and I'm going to use this to sketch out my poster. So I just want an outline sketch, what we call a thumbnail. So I'm just going to use boxes to start with. So my whole poster, I'm going to have a blue background, maybe a green background, it's more relaxing. What I'm going to do is have a person in the middle, so I'm just going to use some very basic shapes to create a sort of person in the middle of the picture. And this doesn't take long, but there's a kind of person with a few, there we go. So that just shows copy in C and V, and you get the gist of this. You can colour it in that way. And what we want is just the outline of the poster and how you're going to use the paste. So I'm going to have a smiley person there, and then I'm going to have lots of boxes with the key information around that person, I'm going to choose some nice colors to make things stand out. And there we go. And that one can be, well, that's green. That's not really going to stand out. Blue. And then I'm going to have obviously a nice big title at the top here. So I'm going to use the squiggle feature for the titles. And that's where the title goes, just at the top there. And then I might have some links to a nice explanation and just use up the features of the shapes to do your outline sketches. I want a nice paragraph down here explaining why the internet's important. And anyway, what I'm trying to show you is we can do an outline design very quickly, very simply in here. Then there's a lovely way of inserting shapes, and I use these callouts where you can annotate. So remember I said about this paragraph here, I can now annotate that sketch, I can edit the text, and I can say paragraph to show importance of internet use. And these are called callouts, and they're really a quick way of annotating and showing people what your work is there. And it's no N needed there. Internet, good. So hopefully don't know why that's not picking that up. So yeah, so that's the research document that we need. So which websites you get the information from, your topics and the key information you get on each of those topics, about 5 of them, and then loads of poster examples of what inspires you, and then an outline, they call it a wireframe diagram of the poster you're going to create. So hopefully that will get you going on your research document. Don't forget to save it and be ready to upload it at the end. Thank you very much.